Develop your skills, manage relationships, progress your career through effective communication with the help of Communication Genie. Hello and welcome to my channel, Communication Genie. In my last video, I've shared a few tips and tricks on how to build out your network. Today, I'll be talking about how to maintain your network. The biggest thing to remember is that until you have established a good rapport and built a level of trust, you need to actively work on maintaining this network. As soon as you stop working towards maintaining the connections will start to fade. What does it mean to actively work towards maintaining a network? Well, for one, you need to plan ahead. Get a sense of a comfortable cadence and either schedule recurring meetings on that cadence or send out the next meeting invite well in advance. We're talking at most once a quarter, unless there's a good reason to meet earlier. What you want to do once the meeting has been scheduled is to check in with a quick email about a week before the next meeting to make sure the date and time still work. Remember to review your notes from the last meeting and think about discussion topics and common areas of interest. Prep questions, ask for opinions or advice. Offer to help, share information, and support. Remember that a networking relationship is meant to be mutually beneficial. So it's important to offer to help, make connections, support in any way that you can. Brush up on your listening skills and create a positive interaction. Play it by ear and know when to quit. People are different and you cannot treat everyone the same when it comes to networking. Some will engage and reciprocate a more active and continuous interaction, while others will be just as strong a connection with less regular and active engagement. Networking is about building mutually beneficial professional relationships. If the relationship ends up becoming one way, just a lot of work with little value, or taking an unexpected wrong turn, and you've attempted to course correct to no avail, then it's time to drop that specific connection from your active network, and that's okay. Over the years, we can find ourselves with great and strong connections in our networks. Connections with folks that require little to no networking maintenance effort because they have become more like friendships. But to be able to establish this level of connection through a wide enough network, some early hard work and effort is required. Hope you found these tips and tricks helpful, and good luck with your networking efforts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos and content on effective communication and professional development.